So I've been back in the UK for a few days now, and there's a few things I want to do on the van. So the diesel heater, although it worked well in the Alps, it was a bit noisy, and I just want to point the exhaust a bit further out from under the van. I found what it is. I've taken the casing off, and you can see here there's this little wire, and when it spins, it actually catches on that, and that would, when that's spinning really fast, that would make such a loud noise, this wire here. That's what people seem to think it was in the YouTube comments, so thanks for commenting on that one. That's really helpful. I'm hoping that's what it is. When I just moved the wire out the way, it flicked out. So I've taken the fuse, what I think is probably the fuse board, and you can just see it's popped out of that little clip there. So I just need to fix it back in, basically. So I guess this is the danger of these Chinese diesel heaters. Although they're fantastic, how cheap they are and efficient and stuff, where this wire was rubbing, it's cut the casing of the wire. I can't really focus on it, you probably see there it's cut the casing of the wire, so I just need to repair that. I actually bought these quite a while ago, heat shrinkable sleeves, so you can just whack a sleeve on there. I'll show you, and then you just heat it up with the hairdryer. So I've got the Babyliss on the go. For a few minutes with the hairdryer, it just shrinks the sleeve, and then that's really nice and tight on there now, which is good. What I'm going to do is, I bought a soldering iron, I didn't have one, just resolder that onto there, then we should be good to go. So now there was a wire that was catching on the fan. Nothing now. Great stuff. So I haven't ran the heater for a while, so I'm just going to prime the pump. So I've just turned it on. Fan is running. That is running so quiet. Well, that's already better. Hasn't actually kicked in yet. That noise now is it full pelt powering up, which is always noisy, but it's much quieter than when it was knocking on the thing. That is running perfectly. That's warm. So the next task is to move the exhaust piece underneath. It's currently here, and I had someone mention that it's probably better to expel it away from, obviously it's coming away but not under the van, so expel the exhaust fumes, maybe fix it here. There's a little bracket there, and then it can just stick out there. That'll probably be better. Right, so I've changed the position of the exhaust under the van for the heater, so it just sticks out properly now rather than just going underneath. It comes out better.